Hi family, this 2023 I need you to make a personal resolution to yourself, and that is no wasting of food. Yes, no wasting of food. Let's be able to save on our food stuff, and so I'm bringing this special recipe to you, and trust me, you're going to save a lot of money this 2023. So as you can see, this is my chicken breast that I'm using. Okay, you can use any meat or any protein of your choice so far as there's no bone inside, so that it can be easy to use. So I'm going to cut this into the sizes that I will like, and then I'll add my spices to it to marinate it. Okay, so I added some ginger and garlic mace, I added some complete spice, then I adobo, and I also added some chicken spice seasoning to it, and I added some salt to it. Now I'm going to mix all this together. Don't forget your oil. You can use olive oil, sesame oil, or just regular vegetable oil. Mix all this together and leave to marinate. Okay, so I had this bell pepper that it was my free for some time. If you don't have any, just like I said, we are going to save money on this. So if you don't have any, don't bother. Okay, so I'm going to size them into the smaller pieces I want, and then the onion, you can see just small. So I have some sausages, and I'm going to also use that. If you don't have any of this, trust me, don't worry, you're still going to get your meal like you want. Yes, so I'm going to start by frying my meat. No, not frying, stir fry my meat, and then I'm going to do this for a while, and after 15 minutes or 10 minutes on fire, I'll take it off, and then I'll go ahead and also fry my sausages. Guys, I want to use the opportunity to wish you all a happy new year. I pray this year bring out a lot of blessings, success, more good news, good health, and more money. Yes, more money. Everybody should get more money so we can all be happy and support each other. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Trust me, I have a lot coming this year. Yes, so like I said, I'm going to fry my sausages as well, and see this the little I have, and I'm going to do that. Fry it till you achieve the level you are looking for. Yes, so now I'll go ahead and fry some eggs. Now this is the mistake I did. So I realized there was some burnt in the fry pan, but I decided to go ahead with it. So I had my eggs sticking to it, but then I used the oil to clear it. So if you don't want to go to that hassle, just make sure that the saucepan is okay. I mean, it's well cleaned before you use it to fry the eggs. Anyways, I went ahead and added my bell peppers. So that's the red bell pepper, the yellow, and then the green, and my onions. I added all this together. Trust me, this will take just about a little time more, just a little time, because trust me, everything is just ready. So I'm going to mix all of this together and allow it to fry for just about 5 minutes, and then guess what, I will add my black pepper. Yes, because I want some pepper in there, some taste, that flavor in there. So I'm adding my black pepper, and then I will mix it and leave it on fire for some time. Then I will go ahead and add my rice. Yes, my rice. It was a leftover rice. I cooked it for the kids, and no one was able to finish it. So I said, oh, why do I have to waste this? I mean, I could just use it for something. I did it. Trust me, it went well. It came out so perfect. I didn't even need to heat the rice before using it. I just went straight up to use it this way, and it was just perfect for the day. Stress free. So please, let's save on our money. This year, making money, so you don't have to waste on food stuff and other stuff. So I'm going to bring you lots more recipes that can save you a lot of money. Trust me. Added the rice to it, allow it on fire to fry for just about 10 minutes, and voila, my food was ready. I served it and enjoyed it immediately. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support you've been showing me. I truly appreciate it, and I thank God. I pray that God will bless you all. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, like I said, please don't forget, hit it now. Thank you. Have a great, wonderful day. I guess I was too happy about this recipe, so I forgot to tell you guys to make sure to add some soy sauce. or oyster sauce. Yes, if you don't have the dark sauce, you can just do with the oyster sauce. And this one I didn't add actually dark sauce, I only added the oyster sauce. That gives it some sweetness and some flavor. So make sure to add some oyster sauce and then serve yourself and enjoy your meal. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.